Hey you guys, Phoebe here from Little Grey Box. Now look, there is one question I am asked the most, and that is, how the heck do you make money as a travel blogger? It's a question people really want the answer to, so today I thought I'd answer it. Here's everything I know on how travel bloggers make money, how much we make, and how you can make money as a travel blogger too. How do you earn an income from a travel blog? We make our money a few different ways, so I'm going to take you through all of them. Basically, we're paid for our time, our skills, and access to our audience, as well as the content that we create. So a brand may pay us to come and stay at their hotel and write a review. They may pay us to go on a tour and review the tour company, or just create some content around our experience. We may also be paid to simply go somewhere, enjoy ourselves, and create some video content, or photographic content, or some written guides about the area. Another way we make money is we may be paid to make video content, photographic or written content, and we sell it back to the brand who commissioned us to do it. You can also be paid to write about something that's current. So for example, there might be a destination that's trying to push itself and get in front of travelers, so they may pay bloggers to write a post about it or share a video that they've already created. Some bloggers like to work under advertising and affiliate programs, so they will place banner advertising and affiliate links on their websites or in their YouTube channel descriptions, that kind of thing. Personally, I really don't like pop-up advertising. I find it clouds the web page. Sometimes I can't even read the content. So we made a conscious decision not to place any kind of banner advertising on Little Grey Box at all. Bloggers can also be paid for social media promotion. So that could be things like posting a photo on Instagram, posting a photo on Facebook, sending out a tweet, maybe putting something in your Insta stories or Snapchat, depending on the size of your following. Bloggers can also make an income through SEO. So that's search engine optimization, if you haven't heard of it before. So companies might approach bloggers and they might ask them to place a sponsored post or a sponsored link in existing content. What Matt and I look to do is package these things up. So we offer promotion packages to brands. So it might be package A, B, or C, and each one offers a different level of coverage. We offer discounted rates for those kinds of things so that the brand is more incentivized to purchase. But Matt and I still make money from different sources because really the blog alone isn't enough. Matt often freelances as a graphic designer or videographer, and I freelance as a travel writer. So I might write for somebody like CNN or CNBC and get paid from them to create some travel content based on places I've been. I also earn a small income from some educational type stuff. So I offer blog coaching and brand coaching sessions where I teach people everything that I know. We're also paid for speaking jobs. So I might be asked to go and speak somewhere and talk about the blog life or talk about YouTube or something like that. So not all our income comes from our travel blog. We have different revenue streams, which I think is really important, because you never know when a platform is going to go under. If your entire income is based on Instagram, what are you going to do when Instagram's replaced? Don't go putting all your eggs in one basket. You want to spread your income revenues out so that no matter what happens, you are covered if one of those platforms goes down. Does that mean you're just paid to write good stuff? Absolutely not, but I can see how it would look that way. When a brand approaches me, they never ask me to write a good review or say you had an amazing time. They write to me and ask me to share my honest experience about their product, their destination, whatever it is that I'm experiencing. So that can be positive or it can be negative. But really, if you think about it, a brand wouldn't invite you to come and experience something if they weren't confident it was good, right? Before we agree to anything, we always let the brand know that what we share will be completely and totally honest based on our experience. I also figure that it's not really up to me to decide what everybody out there likes. So for example, I stayed at a noisy hotel and I was traveling by myself and I really liked the noise of the outside world. My mum, on the other hand, wouldn't have liked the noise. So what I do is I just tell the truth. I stayed at the hotel, it was a bit noisy at night. If that kind of thing bothers you, don't stay there. If it doesn't bother you, it's a great fit for you. What if you did have a bad experience? Sometimes you get the best customer service when things go wrong. I mean, nothing's ever going to be perfect, right? So why not give the hotel a chance to address it and see, what are your customer service skills actually like? So if I do have a bad experience, my first thing is to raise it with the hotel. My second thing would be to raise it with the PR person or the marketing person who hired me. The third thing I would do was just share my honest experience. How much money do travel bloggers actually make? That is a fantastic question. And it's hard to know because there isn't some kind of standardized index, and travel bloggers we don't really talk too much about, I made this much, or I made that this much. From my experience, my income fluctuates a lot, like any small business. Some months it might be a bit more lean. I could make as little as a couple of $100s. Other months it might be thousands of dollars. How much money you make as a travel blogger is going to depend on how big your following is. The more following, the more of an audience you have, the more brands are going to pay you to get exposure and get in front of those audiences. So it's safe to say the really big bloggers, they're earning quite a bit of money. I've heard rumors of some really famous Instagrammers getting over $10,000 per Instagram post. For Matt and I gotta be honest, we don't really keep track of how much money we make in terms of counting it all up. All we know is we have enough money to live a life we love, and that's all that matters. How do you afford to travel then? If Matt and I did have a lot of money, let me tell you what we would be spending it on. Travel. Fortunately for work, we get a lot of travel opportunities. So what we do is we wait for those and we travel on those opportunities. So you travel for free. No, I wouldn't call it traveling for free. If we aren't getting paid, it's an exchange of services. You know, it's our time, our skills, our knowledge and experience in exchange for this experience. It's never free. You always have to do something for it. In my mind, free means someone gives it to you, you take it, you don't owe them anything. That's not what happens in the blog world. Do you get paid for every trip you take? No, I wish we did, but we don't. That said, it is really, really important that we do get paid. So we don't take a free job unless it's an amazing opportunity to somewhere we've never been before and could probably never afford to go to. And also, the more free jobs we accept, the more it undervalues everybody else out there. And if we don't do something for free, maybe that brand will go to somebody else who will do it for free. So we're better to stay strong together and everybody demand to get paid so that everybody has to get paid. How do you get brands to work with you? Most of the time, brands find us. So they might hear about us, they may see us on an influencer database, they may find us on YouTube, they may just find us through searching, and then they might check out our blog and then they'll approach us and say, hey, we really like your style, we like what you do, are you interested in working with us in this way? Other times, we might pitch to a brand ourselves. So I might reach out to a regional tourism board and say, hey, we're going to be in the area, this is what our blog is all about, this is what we can offer you, are you interested in working together? Wow, travel blogging sounds so glamorous. My travel blog and the career it has given me is, I can't even describe it. The change it has made to my life is absolutely incredible, and I am so much happier doing something that I love every single day than I ever thought I could be. But it isn't easy. It's taken Matt and I years and years of really hard work to get to this point where it is our full-time jobs in our business, and it's still a struggle. But let me tell you, it is worth it. So if you are thinking about starting a travel blog, I 100% recommend it. It changed our lives and it could change anybody else's life too. Just be prepared for the hard work. It's not all glitz and glamour. It can quite often be 17-hour days, no sleep, total exhaustion, but it is worth it. It is amazing. If you are thinking about starting a travel blog, we have got a ton of resources on the Little Grey Box blog just for bloggers. Links are in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this useful. Be sure to say hello in the comments below and subscribe to the Little Grey Box YouTube channel. Hope you have a great week. We'll see you next time. Love ya!